Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2017 Land Rover Range Rover. This SUV came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the SUV to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Okay, I do see some chips on the front bumper. Underneath the headlight, there's a few chips over here. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. All right, I do see a chip on the hood right here. And another one right there. Let's take a look at the driver fender and wheel. The fender is in good condition. I'm not seeing any paint chips or no dents. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the driver's side doors. The front and back door look perfect. I'm not seeing any dents or door dings or scratches at all. Let's take a look at the quarter panel and wheel. Everything on this quarter panel looks good. No dents, no scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash. Take a look at the back of the SUV. The trunk and back bumper look very good. I do see that there's a scratch on the trunk here. There's a scratch right there. And there's a scratch on the back bumper right here. Let's take a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. Alright, this quarter panel looks perfect. No dents, no scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash. Move on to the passenger side doors. The front and back door here look really good. I'm not seeing anything wrong at all. Now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect. No dents, no scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look inside. We're going to start with the driver's seat. Okay, the front seat is in good condition. Let's take a look at the back seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Okay, the passenger side is good as well. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Okay, everything here looks fine. I don't see any wear and tear with the buttons at all. No scratches. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. The buttons look perfect. Let's take a look at the leather and stitching. Excellent. So the interior of this SUV is in good condition. Now let's take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.